Nervousness is a common human experience that can manifest in many different ways. It often arises when we find ourselves in situations that are unfamiliar or challenging, or when we are put in the spotlight and feel like we are being evaluated or judged. While some degree of nervousness is normal and even healthy, excessive nervousness can interfere with our ability to function effectively and can have negative consequences for our well-being. One of the most common symptoms of nervousness is physical sensations, such as sweating, shaking, or an elevated heart rate. These symptoms are caused by the release of adrenaline and other stress hormones, which prepare our bodies for a fight or flight response. While these physical sensations can be uncomfortable, they are typically not harmful and will subside once the source of the nervousness has passed. Another common symptom of nervousness is cognitive or emotional symptoms, such as racing thoughts, worry, or fear. These symptoms can be more difficult to manage than physical symptoms, as they can be more persistent and can interfere with our ability to concentrate or perform tasks effectively. In some cases, excessive nervousness can lead to a full-blown panic attack, which can be very distressing and may require medical attention. There are many different strategies that can be used to manage nervousness. One of the most effective strategies is to practice relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, mindfulness, or progressive muscle relaxation. These techniques can help to calm the body and reduce the intensity of physical symptoms of nervousness. Another strategy for managing nervousness is to prepare as much as possible for the situation that is causing the nervousness. This might involve researching the situation or practicing the skills that will be required beforehand. By feeling more confident and prepared, we are less likely to experience excessive nervousness. It can also be helpful to reframe our thoughts about the situation that is causing the nervousness. Instead of focusing on the potential negative outcomes, we can try to focus on the potential positive outcomes or on the learning opportunities that the situation presents. It's important to note that in some cases, nervousness can be a symptom of an underlying anxiety disorder. If nervousness is interfering with your ability to function effectively on a regular basis, it may be helpful to seek professional help from a mental health provider. In conclusion, nervousness is a common human experience that can manifest in many different ways. While some degree of nervousness is normal and even healthy, excessive nervousness can interfere with our ability to function effectively and can have negative consequences for our well-being. By practicing relaxation techniques, preparing for the situation that is causing the nervousness, and reframing our thoughts, we can manage nervousness effectively and live a more fulfilling life.